In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spend money in Xero. By the end, you'll know how to record a payment you've made directly from your bank account. Perfect for things like subscriptions, fuel, or one-off purchases that don't have a supplier bill attached. First, open Xero and head to your organization's dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct company, especially if you have access to more than one. It's also a good idea to confirm that the bank account you plan to use is already set up in Xero, since the payment will be recorded against that account. On the dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the plus icon. This is your quick add menu for common transactions. Click it to expand the list of options. From there, choose Spend Money. This opens a new payment form designed specifically to record money leaving your bank account. Now fill in the details. Start by selecting the Paid From account, the bank or credit card the money actually came from. Enter the payee so you can easily recognize who you paid. Add the date of the payment and a reference if you have one. References make it easier to match the transaction to your bank feed later. In the description field, summarize what the purchase was for so anyone reviewing your accounts can understand it at a glance. Next, code the expense. Choose the appropriate account from your chart of accounts. For example, office expenses, travel, or software. Select the correct tax rate based on your local tax rules and whether the amount includes or excludes tax. If you need to split the cost across different categories, add extra lines and assign each one to the right account and tax rate. If your organization uses tracking categories, like department or project, apply them here to keep your reporting accurate. If you have a receipt or invoice, attach it. Keeping documents with the transaction is a simple way to maintain solid audit-ready records. Before saving, double-check the amount, tax calculation, and payee details. Consistent coding helps your report stay clean and saves time at month end. When everything looks right, click Save. Xero will create the spend money transaction in the selected bank account. If you use bank feeds, this entry will be ready to match when the corresponding line appears, helping you avoid duplicates. As a tip, if a supplier bill already exists in Xero, record the payment against that bill instead of using spend money to keep your accounts tidy. That's it, quick, accurate, and fully documented. Thanks for following along.